Okay, jogging the mill. Assuming the mill is powered up, step on up and press the handle jog button. Look at the user interface and confirm that you are in hand jog mode. And if for some reason you're not, hit that handle jog button again and you'll be there. Now your jog speed. I want you to always start with this speed, 1/1000th of an inch, because it's nice and slow and will keep you from crashing into anything as you determine the direction of your jog. Now the axis. Pick X for starters. It doesn't matter if you pick X negative or X positive, because what does matter is whether you're turning the jog wheel clockwise or counterclockwise. Always start turning the jog wheel just like I am, slowly grabbing onto the outside of the wheel. If you grab onto the little spinner knob and whip it around, you are liable to crash the machine into something substantial and cause severe damage to the equipment. So turn that jog wheel slowly from the outside and look for the almost imperceptible movement of the table along the x-axis in the mill. Next, let's look at the machine coordinates for the x, y, and z axes. You can ignore the a-axis for now. What you're going to want to do is turn the hand jog wheel for x, y, and z to bring these machine coordinates to 0. But as you do, please go slowly, and please, please, please keep your eyes on the mill itself, not the numbers. Turn the wheel and just look at the numbers on the user interface. You are at risk of missing something that's going on inside of the envelope of the mill. And here I'm almost there, but I'm going to need to switch my speed down to the slowest speed, 1/10,000th of an inch, in order to actually zero my z-axis. As you jog the machine around, ask yourself, on the x-axis, can I get into negative numbers? Can I get into positive numbers? And ask the same question for the y-axis. Can I get into negative y? Can I get into positive y? That'll be your biggest clue for which quadrant you can exist in machine coordinates on the mill. And once you know your quadrant, just imagine the spot where the x-axis and the y-axis meet, and that's going to be your 0 point, your origin point.